Do you want to delete voice message on Instagram? You can unsend audio messages in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete a voice message on Instagram chat. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on the message icon at the top right of your home screen. Here, you will see a list of chats you have had before. Scroll down and open the conversation containing the voice message you want to delete. Now, on the chat conversation screen, find the audio message and long press and hold the voice message you want to remove. A pop-up screen appears. From here, select Unsend or Delete for you from the options that appear. If you choose Unsend, the voice message will be deleted from both your and the recipient's chat.